Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily crop a screenshot on your Apple iPhone 17. So if you want to start cropping your screenshots like a pro, then follow me. Press the power button and the volume up button to take a screenshot. Now click here, and if you want to crop it, then simply grab any edge and I'll crop it for the calendar right here, and I'll also crop out the battery. So we want to make sure that it looks like this. We can also make it more like sharper, like that for an example, or even more. Here we can make it like that, and as you guys can see, we have the calendar only. So now we can save it to photos, and whenever we go to the photos, this is the old screenshot, now this is the new one. So this is how you guys can easily crop your screenshots like a pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.